kit assembly for the 4-Season Trek Lite is quick and easy. Begin by removing all parts from the convenient carry case. Assemble the shock-corded telescoping pole. Insert the weighted end of the pole into the pole receptacle location on the base. Gently pull one of the banners upward, allowing the base to tilt backward. Attach the banner snap rail to the top of the shock-corded pole. Repeat these steps for the second banner. You are now ready to utilize the marketing power of the 4-Season Trek Lite Retractor. For outdoor use of the 4-Season Trek Lite, feet must be attached. To attach the feet, flip base over. Grab one of the legs and make sure the black clips are parallel to the leg. Insert the black knob into the hole located on the base. Turn each black clip sideways to lock leg into place. Repeat these steps for the second leg. Turn base over. You are now ready to continue kit assembly.